welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jess, and I'm so excited because it's Friday. Just got home from work. I got home a little early, and it's still sunny out. So I said it gets sunny a little later now, so I'm just getting ready. I just put on some Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I do the shades 110 and 120, and we're gonna go to Morristown. So if you don't know, I'm from New Jersey, and Morristown is just a really cute, like, a downtown area. So we're gonna walk around there. Maybe get some food, and yeah, it's really nice. It's 50 and sunny. So I am still trying to make use and get used to this River Organics concealer, but I do still use the Maybelline Fit Me, good old reliable. I use the Hoola bronzer. Literally love this stuff. I've had this mini one for so long. It honestly lasts forever. I honestly just like to keep it like pretty simple for the makeup. It's been so nice the past couple days here in New Jersey. It's been in the 50s, late 40s, and sunny, which is literally beautiful. It feels like an early spring, so I'm so excited. And honestly just makes me so excited for spring and summer. But yeah, we're just trying to enjoy the weather while we have it, because we've had so much snow here lately. If you're from the Northeast, you know it's been pretty bad lately, but it looks like we're only going up from here. I can't see us honestly getting more snow, so I think we'll be good, and it's just gonna start getting a little warmer. And like kind of breaking out a little. Actually, this is way better. I had like this, I have like a couple right here, but I had like more like here and like right there. But it's actually so much better now. These are going away really quick. It's crazy because it's been almost 1 year since I started my acne journey, like my skin clearing journey with the adapalene gel. And yeah, March 18th I think is gonna be 1 year. So I feel like I have still gotten a few pimples like here and there, like hormonal ones on my chin, but usually when I do, they go away so fast. And I just want to put a little makeup on. I honestly like bronzer on my face. I only wear makeup on the weekends when we do stuff. I do the same makeup look. It's just my go-to look. Honestly, takes me like 10 minutes to do this. Oh, I keep stabbing my eyes. I am excited to kick off this weekend vlog because we're gonna go to Morristown now and just walk around, say to ourselves, just me and my boyfriend. And then tomorrow we're planning to go to the American Dream Mall. I've never been there. It's this like massive mall in New Jersey that just opened up. So we're gonna check that out. That's the plan. And just see what else we want to do. It's supposed to rain this weekend, so I'm not sure exactly what we'll do. But I'm just gonna keep busy, and I'm just gonna eat a quick late lunch before we head out. Luckily, we are all prepared here. We have brown rice, quinoa, ground turkey with peppers and onions, and this chunky guac. I am doing the Chloe Ting Hourglass Challenge, and I've been trying to be a little bit better with my diet and just like not overdo anything, but just listen to my body. And I really like just eating like a balanced meal, like a vegetable, lean protein, and a healthy carb. And then like a healthy fat, so like avocado or guac, things like that. So I'm just gonna put together a little bowl and eat that, and then we'll head out. So I just added the chunky Greek yogurt guac from Trader Joe's and some vegetables. We just made it to Morristown, and I want to go to Blue Mercury, and I know they have a store here because I need to get more moisturizer. We are in the Iron Bar right now, which is like a little like bar, like nightclub, but they're obviously like closed for that purpose. Like they're just doing like, I guess, drinks and dining. But we have to pee, so we just have to come here. So it looks really cool. I'm gonna go into the Blue Mercury and I want to get more of my moisturizer. We're just walking around. It's so pretty here. It's like all the shops and restaurants. There's so many restaurants here. And then there's like this cute circle, square area you can walk around. So definitely a cute town if you're in New Jersey. I'm gonna show what I got from Blue Mercury. So they were doing a sale, so I ended up repurchasing the serum that I was out of. So I got the SkinCeuticals HA Intensifier. I really like this at night. And then this is what I needed more of, the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. And then they actually threw in some samples. So let's see, what is this? Orbi shampoo and conditioner. Oh, I think my sister likes that brand. And what else? M61 Glow Peel. It's like a facial peel. And then it looks like I just got this like lip gloss. Oh my god, the name of the lip gloss is Vlogger. Do you see that? It's Vlogger.
Wow.
That's funny.
And he's vlogging.
I know. That's so funny. The name of this lip gloss is Vlogger. It's from Loon and Aster. Oh my god. It's like they know me. So we're not gonna eat here tonight, but there's this restaurant. It's called The Committed Pig. It's so good. If you like burgers, like veggie burgers, sweet potato fries, mac and cheese, they've got the goods there. So if you're in Morristown, and there is one by the beach too in Belmar, I think. So if you're in New Jersey, in this area, definitely recommend The Committed Pig for eating. It's so good. We just got Taqueria, our favorite place to get like burrito bowls, burrito boxes. So excited. So good. I got chicken, has pico de gallo, sour cream, guac, rice, beans. Literally so good. I think they put a lot of the habanero on, but actually it isn't that spicy.
It's not too bad.
We just got back from Morristown. We had Taqueria. It's so good. It's my favorite. And now I'm going to do my Chloe Ting workouts. Not going to lie, I'm a little tired. It's a little after 7. And today I have 3 videos for the program. It's not too bad for the Hourglass program. It's been like 20 to 35 minutes a day for the videos, like 2 to 3. And then usually I add in like 30 minutes of cardio. So we just took a walk around the town. So that was like my 30 minutes of cardio. Sometimes I'll just go on the treadmill, whatever it is. And it's been working really well for me. So I'm going to do those workouts. And I think we're just going to have a really chill Friday night.
There's something after there's nothing to say. We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape. Oh, where did all the good things go?
Good morning. It is now Saturday, February 27th, and we just had breakfast, made a smoothie bowl. I literally had the same breakfast like every day for this whole year, I think. It's already 11 a.m. We got up a little later today. So we're gonna go to the American Dream Mall, which is in East Rutherford, New Jersey, and that should be cool. I've never been there. Apparently it's like really cool. It's the largest mall, I believe, in America now. They've got a theme park ride, a water park, indoor skiing, shops, food, like literally so much. So I'm excited to see that. But I think right now I'm just gonna do my 2 Chloe Ting videos because I only have 2 of them for today. So I think I'm just gonna get those done and then just like get ready for the day and we'll go to the mall. We just got to the American Dream Mall in East Rutherford, and we're gonna walk around and just explore it all and see what it has to offer. Never been here before. Parking was free, so that was good. I don't know if it's usually free, but it's free right now. There's a lot of cars here, so it seems like it's gonna be crowded, but I mean, it's also like massive. I'll show you guys in the vlog what it all looks like.
Ryan Little.
This looks really cute. It makes me excited for like Easter and spring. This is so cool, oh my gosh.
Ryan Little.
Just walked around the whole American Dream Mall and it was so cool. My inner child was coming out. If I were a kid, I absolutely would have loved like going into the amusement parks and stuff. Honestly, I still would, even at 24. It was so cool. We didn't get to like actually go into the Nickelodeon universe like with all the rides, but we were able to see it like through the windows because you do have to buy a ticket. Same with the DreamWorks water park and the big snow indoor skiing. But like I said, we were able to see it through the windows, and I tried to get videos the best I could from what we were able to see. But yeah, it was really cool, and I would definitely come back here. There was a lot of stores and shops, places to eat. So if you're in New Jersey, New York, or not too far, I would definitely recommend checking out the American Dream Mall. It was really, really cool. We just stopped at ShopRite because we're gonna pick up some ingredients because we want to make like pesto pasta. It's really good. It's like pesto, burrata. We do whole wheat pasta, and I think we might put shrimp in it. So we're just gonna do that for dinner, and maybe get some dessert later too. Donut pit stop. This looks really good. So we're gonna make pesto burrata pasta. So we're gonna use whole wheat, thin spaghetti. We did get some shrimps. He's gonna have shrimp, some lemon to cook the shrimp in. And for the sauce, it's basically just a basil plant, so just the leaves, and some olive oil, 2 large balls of burrata. This stuff is really, really good. And I like to put a little bit of parm in it. And for spices, I use some Italian seasoning, a little garlic powder, and then salt and pepper. Ooh, that looks really good. It's like a nice sage green color. Happy Sunday. It is super chill. We literally like ate breakfast, ate lunch. It's like 2 probably in the afternoon right now. Oh my god, it's 4 in the afternoon, never mind. 4 in the afternoon right now. We haven't done much. I've just been editing this vlog that you guys are watching right now, and it's been really chill. We are gonna go to Trader Joe's, I think, and get some stuff to make these like protein balls.